What's going on? Happy Friday. Well, it's actually evening now, yeah, so it's gotta be six something. Yeah, it's about a little after six. Right now anyhow. Probably be a little bit before this gets uploaded. But we did a little bit of a live. I was just sitting here sanding. I wanted to see how this computer worked. Um, I have I have one that sits right in front of me. I got an owl up there. So I wanted to see how this one worked. It looks like YouTube has made some changes again on how you go live. You got to answer like a bunch of different stuff. I don't remember doing that before, but I don't know, maybe it's me. Let's get through that intro and we'll show you what we got done. Good evening. It's a little after 6 here. We've been screwing around here at the bench all day. Still didn't get to the Nova because we've been focused on the Roadrunner. So what I've actually got it in primer, which is good. I'm going to let it kind of dry up a little bit more. So I got a couple primer test spoons going. We're doing white because of this color pink that we're going to put on here. So whenever I do white primer, I use clear spoons as my follow along, and we did two to try some different clears. And the body, I mean, wow, they did a really good job with this body because they retooled it from the GTX. You can see where there's marks where the GTX stuff was eliminated, but it works really, really well. So we did a lot of body work to this thing. We've got it in primer white, and then I mixed a very light gray guide coat that's out of a real light gray, and we mixed that on there as well, which was the Mr. Hobby 1500 white, and then we used the Mr. Hobby 1500 gray, but I thinned it down 50% and just misted that over this thing. So especially with white, when you go to block it, the guide coat definitely helps with my vision of seeing that it's flat. So and then once that's done and all blocked off, then we'll put another coat of white on it. I think it's going to be pretty good. I'll probably only have to block this one time and then put another coat of white on it, and then it'll be ready for the base. So I'm very excited to see this pink, which is the K016 by Kaleido on this Roadrunner. I think that's going to look really cool. I also primed the hood on there because I didn't want to get all of the guide coat into the engine bay, so we just primed it all this way. We will do the engine bay pink when we get there. We'll put a coat of primer on there. I'm still debating if I'm going to cut the battery out of the front. Just cut that out and put a little patch in there, because if I go with a different style motor, that the battery just looks so dumb. You know, it looks like it's that tall in there because how they got it shaped. So I may cut that out and put a little plastic in it, but who knows? This thing might even be pink before the weekend's over. So, but I gotta say, I'm loving the kit. They did a great job on this kit, and it's gonna be cool. It's very different working with a 124th car again. I haven't worked on a 124th car since I did the zombie of that GTX. So, oh, and the truck was 124th too. But other than that, everything's been 25th. So a little bit bigger. That's probably gonna do it. I'm gonna let this stuff really harden. I didn't get to color sanding the Nova at all, and I'm gonna go out. I got some stuff that I want to do out in the big garage on the Duster. So that's probably going to do it for me on the model side, unless somebody calls and says they're going live or something like that. Then I might be out here tinkering around. But for right now, we're going to go out there and putts in the big shop. So enjoy the rest of your Friday, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you later.